Hi everyone, and welcome to day 17 of my 30-day coding challenge where I'll try to learn to code a fully functioning website in 30 days. This is day 17. So let's just review what I did today, how it went, and what are the next steps. Today, I started my backend development journey where I decided to learn a language called Go, as I explained in my video yesterday, why I came to that decision. That was already explained. So today was all about getting familiarity with the language Go. What is it all about? Try to learn a little bit of syntax as well. Try to learn a little bit of context, like what is it about, what it can do, and how you could get proficient in Go in shortest period of time. So I researched through multiple resources in the morning to come to a course where I'll get some familiarity with Go. So I found a course in Net Ninja on YouTube. So they had a really nice course. Well, the course is called Go Tutorial for Beginners. It is uploaded by Net Ninja. I'll be providing the link in the description tab, so keep an eye for it if you want to take a look at it. It has about 22 modules where they go deeper into the functionalities of Go and into the syntax of Go. I mean, one observation I found while learning or going through their lessons, it's like the main functionalities or the functions and methods are quite similar to JavaScript. So there's not much of a deviation in terms of like how to write a function or how to declare a variable. So if there is some sort of continuity in syntax as well. Obviously, there are some specific syntax that only applies to Go when you have to import quite a few files from Go directory on and the Go website. So that's a little different from JavaScript, where you do not have to import a lot of functionalities or packages from its website. But here you'll have to do like, I mean, you'd have to import a lot of functionalities as you keep going along. That's one observation, but it's still quite similar in terms of syntax and a little bit more intuitive in comparison to JavaScript. JavaScript gets complicated when you have lots of nested functions. I guess that would be the case with Go as well as I start to go deeper into the language. But so far, at least in this tutorial, it didn't seem to be as syntax heavy and as complicated as JavaScript was at one point. So that was quite positive. I invested about 2.5, 3 hours today to complete this course. I didn't do a lot of practice on the side. It was mostly about getting familiar with the Go language. I'll probably go deeper into the Go language tomorrow with another course. I have done some research on my own and I found one with free code camp. That's about 11 hours course on YouTube. So I intend to do that tomorrow. Today it was just about understanding the language, understanding the interface, and understanding how it communicates with the terminal or console, and how, like, I mean, how best I can prepare myself for tomorrow and to go deeper into Go language. But so far, it hasn't been very intimidating, but I guess it will, I'll have to see in 2, 3 days how it changes and when the complexity increases, whether I would be able to still keep up with the pace and whether I would still be able to finish it in next 4 days, which I have allocated for learning Go. And then we'll have to see what sort of database query language I'm going to be going with. But for now, it seems intuitive. It seems like a good choice, at least because JavaScript was quite, became a little bit heavier at time, but Go, it felt like I started smoothly. I could still make out the syntax intuitively. It did not have that much of complexity in terms of case sensitivity. Obviously, it follows the same convention or similar convention at JavaScript, but it is much more relaxed in terms of the parentheses and other, like how you create an object or how you create a variable, whereas JavaScript has much more strict rules and where you cannot deviate from them. If you do, then the whole basically function stops to run. So far I haven't encountered that, but hopefully that might come in the future. I'm not 100% sure. I'm quite enjoying it. See how it grows on me. I need to give it some time. This was pretty much the first day of a new language, and hopefully I have not gotten deep into the complexities of it. So I'll probably have a more informed view of it in next 2 or 3 days. But today I really enjoyed it, and I'm very much looking forward to go deeper into it tomorrow and day after tomorrow and day after that as well. So that's the plan for now. And that's pretty much it from my side for today. I invested about 3 hours today, so a little less time than usual, but it was all about getting familiarity with Go, getting to know like how to start in Go, and making sure that like I have a solid start before I go deeper into the language. Well, as usual, thank you very much for stopping by. Really appreciate your support and the comments. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. And because in next 2 weeks, you'll come to know whether I'll be able to code a fully functioning website with all the knowledge that I have accumulated so far. So yeah, I mean, it's looking quite confident. In 2 weeks, hopefully, that's enough time for me to be able to put everything together in one place and be able to connect the dots. Obviously, like I need to make sure that whatever I'm learning, I'm just not like sort of it's not slipping away from my memory. So I still need to keep revising, going back to the old concepts in HTML, CSS, and JavaScript that I need to do on the side, which I'll probably gonna do this week as well. So that's the plan for this week, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thank you very much for stopping by. Hope you have a great day.